Hi, welcome to Gilboy's YouTube channel. I'm going to do something quite dramatic in this YouTube video, something I would never ever normally do, but it's for the purposes of demonstrating how furniture is sometimes constructed, and especially this mid-century teak Danish influence furniture. This is a lovely G-plan table. There are lots and lots of people who have G-plan. And I know some of you know it's veneered, some of you may think it's solid, but I want to show the construction, what it's really like and how thin the veneer is on the top. So when you're working on it, if you're refinishing them or do anything like that, that I want to demonstrate just how thin it is. There's nothing wrong with veneers, nothing wrong with the veneers at all. They're very decorative and they give you the lovely patterns. I mean, they've been used for centuries, veneers. So especially in the UK, we get adverts saying, you know, no veneer in here. Well, there is veneer in here, but there's nothing wrong with that. But when you're refinishing and restoration, you just have to be aware there are veneers. But I want to show what it looks like by cutting this table in half. And it's not a shame, but it's a sacrificial table. That's what's going to happen. I need to cut this table in half. So Will, actually, could you get me a saw, please, if you could? And what I'll do is I'm going to talk about veneers just a little bit. Under the table here, I have a veneer, and this is a modern veneer, and that's probably what is on this table. It really is quite thin, but nonetheless very, very decorative. There's no problem with the veneer, but it is so thin. So when you are working on veneered furniture, just be prepared that that's all the thickness of veneer you've got when you're sanding. So that's why I always hand sand when I'm dealing with veneered furniture. Don't go on tacking it with a big circular or a big orbital sander, which I demonstrate in another video. Ah, right, what's that?
There you go.
That's not a saw. Well, I suppose it is a saw, but I've got other saws around here. Hang on. That's a saw. That's what we want. That's a man saw, Will. There you go. Right, let's see if we can. Oh, no, I'm not going to do it with that. I'm not going to do it with that. But we will do it with its sort of middle-sized brother. We're going to cut this in half. I might have to get on the table, actually. Can I move that forward and get up on the table? It feels really quite wrong doing this. I've never cut through a perfectly good piece of furniture before, but I think we need to see what it's constructed from. So here goes. In fact, ta-da! Solid teak. No, it's not solid teak. It's chipboard. You can see clearly here the teak lipping and then how it's attached into this chipboard. It's so thin, the veneer on top, I can't even see it. I need my glasses. I don't know if the camera could even see it, but that's how thin it is. It's a really thin slice of veneer. So you've got to be careful when you're restoring veneered furniture that you don't go through to this chipboard, because once you do go through, that's it. So all your G-plan furniture, the top of it's like this. This includes the dining tables as well, are going to be like this. The same as a lot of mid-century furniture. There's nothing wrong with that, but I just really wanted to prove my point there that the centre of it is chipboard, balanced mahogany veneer underneath, and then the teak veneer on top. It could be any veneer. Anyone want to restore a table? We could use the teak. We can use the teak. We won't waste this. The legs here we will use because this is solid teak. The top obviously is gone, but the legs can be recycled and used for repairs and things. So, but there you are. There's a G-plan. It's probably the same with Nathan and probably Macintosh as well. They're all very similar, I should say. Thank you for watching me destroy furniture. Simon Destroys Furniture. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button down there. Also hit the bell notification button and you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Hopefully I won't be soaring through period antiques or even mid-century Danish influenced furniture. Thanks.